To our guest of honor and speaker, Police Executive Master Sergeant Danny Alejosi Maligsay, Sir. To our School Division Superintendent Anselmo R. Aladino, duly represented by Dr. Marilu Sales, Chief Curriculum Implementation Division, and Ma'am Gladys Lampito, Education Program Supervisor. Ma'ams. To our College President, Attorney Wendell D. Chua, Sir. To our College Vice President, Engineer Richard D. Chua, Sir. To our School Directors, Attorney Karen A. Aurora R. Chua, Ma'am. To our School Principal, Mrs. Bernie Ann P. Kirby, Ma'am. To our PTA President, Ma'am Merily Jane G. Rabanal, Ma'am. To our Alumni Association President, Mrs. Agnes T. Pagaragan, Ma'am. Dedicated faculty and staff, proud families, especially my mom, and to my fellow candidates for the graduation, good afternoon. Standing here today feels unreal. This is the day we can finally celebrate all the late nights, the doubts we overcame, and the challenges that push us to our limits. But more than that, it's a day to remember the laughter, the triumphs, and the memories we'll cherish forever. Remember the time we pulled an all-nighter before our defense, fueled by coffee and a sheer panic, and somehow we all aced it. That's kind of teamwork and perseverance that defines our class. And even when we were completely satisfied with our work, we'd often finish with a phrase, "Okay na to." That phrase became our mantra, a reminder that progress, even imperfect and little, is still progress. Senior high school taught us so much more than just academic. It taught us resilience, the ability to bounce back, and to keep going even when things get tough. We faced challenges, but we never gave up. That resilience is part of who we are, and it will guide us through whatever life throws our way. We also learn the value of healthy competition, not about rivalry, but about pushing ourselves to be better. Let's carry that drive to excel, knowing that striving for greatness lifts everyone around us. And most importantly, we learn the importance of faith in God. It's not just about fear, but about reverence, awe, and humility. Our faith